Hi everyone, it's Essie here with a quick unboxing video to show you the gorgeous embellishment kit from Lottie Loves Paper. This is the September 2018 kit, and I've also got the add-ons and the paper packs to show you as well. So I'll start with the basic embellishment kit, and we have a half sheet of Vicky Bouton field note stickers. The kit this month is made up of a combination of Vicky Bouton and Pretty Little Studios, and these are a half sheet of the puffy stickers. You get some lovely, I got a selection of arrows and hearts and phrases, and sometimes Sarah has to split a pack of things just to make the budget work, but there's still a lovely amount of pretty little embellishments on that sheet. And then we have an acrylic phrase from Pretty Little Studios. I got Life is Good, and some of the kits had a word in today. Both were white and both look lovely with all of the other colours in this kit. And now we have some sticker sheets from Pretty Little Studios, and this first one is a sheet of word stickers from the Savannah Dreams range, and there are 52 stickers on this sheet. Lovely selection of phrases, so much fun all together. We enjoyed this. Be bold, be you. I can't get enough of this author. So some really different phrases, but also some very generic ones like hello, we had the best time, amazing, really versatile. And then also some labels in the same colours that coordinate with those phrases. And then we have the Vicky Bouton thickers. These are lovely. They're sort of puffy and black and shiny and just yummy, and lots of lovely phrases again. One of a kind, collect moments, you can probably see them all, and a lovely selection of sort of little icons that look a bit like scribbled hearts and stars and arrows. And then we have this gorgeous pack of die cuts from Vicky Bouton, and I completely destroy the packaging, as you'll see in a moment, trying to get into it. If I'd been a bit more patient and a bit more careful, I'd have had a lovely card to use on a layout as well. As you can see there, the backing of that packaging had got a really lovely design on, which completely coordinates with the die cuts, and I ruined it. But here we go. I'm just going to go through the die pack now. And there's a lovely selection of phrases and flowers. It's quite florally. There's lots of quite big, bold flowers. There's mushrooms and feathers and moths and butterflies, and really beautiful colours, kind of strong colours, and moving away from the more summery. It's got a bit of an autumnal feel with sort of the reds and mustardy yellows and orange. And just really pretty. I love them all. There's some sort of circles with patterns on which go with the papers that I'll show you shortly. There's some foliage and little birds, and those really big bold flowers, just really usable. And as I said, some phrases as well. Be happy, the best. Can't see what that one up the look at this, perhaps, is that one up the corner say. Little heart going flinging across the way there. This story there, another little pink heart, and some more flowers. So lots and lots of die cuts in that pack. And because I've destroyed the packaging, obviously I need to find something else to put them in. So what I usually do actually, with die cuts that come in this sort of packaging that sort of is not very easy to reseal, I put them in a little plastic baggie and I will cut the backing card, so I've got the branding on and just slip that into the baggie as well, so I remember what collection it's from, and then I store them that way, because otherwise I find they sort of all tip out of the packaging because you can't reseal it. So that was the basic embellishment even kit, and now I've got the add-ons to show you. So I'm going to start with the 12 by 12 papers, and again, like I said, it's a collection of Pretty Little Studios and Vicky Bouton with a random paper from the Amy Tangerine Shine On thrown in for good measure. So this first one from Pretty Little Studios for Savannah Dreams, it's got that lovely blue background with the birds and the flowers and the script on the other side. And then this Vicky Bouton is got those lovely circles, they match some of the die cuts, and then the watercolour yellow on the other side. This and another Vicky Bouton, and these gorgeous hearts with the dots and squiggles on, and then a beautiful floral on the other side, or a blue background with that foliage on. And then these beautiful big bold flowers, still with the Vicky Bouton Field Notes range, that obviously again coordinate with the die cuts, and then that watercolour effect on the back. And I love these papers because the manufacturing strips are really usable as well, because they've got a solid pattern on one side with no words or anything on, so you can use the strip as is. And then some more from Pretty Little Studios with those beautiful blue hexagons, and then this one, this mustard, really strong mustard colour with the white hearts and that one little pink heart down in the corner, and the blue hexagons on the other side. I really love those hearts on that bright bold yellow. And this is the Amy Tangerine sheet. These cameras are fabulous. They've got little word on each. Some of them are happy, explore, smile, or adventure, maybe one of them says. And again, a really usable manufacturing strip and a pretty teal stripe on the back. This one, going back to Pretty Little Studios, the bright bold pink with the almost chain link pattern, and the blue watercolory floral effect on the other side. So they're the patterned papers, and then there's also 3 sheets of basil cardstock sold separately, and the blue is ocean, and there's a white, and then the parakeet is the green. So again, these are all picked by Sarah to coordinate perfectly with the patterned papers and embellishments. So they are the papers, the 12 by 12 paper pack and the cardstock pack. And just move my box out of the way and show you the rest of the add-ons. Again, staying with the Pretty Little Studios range, Savannah Dreams. And this is the 6x6 paper pack. I love Pretty Little Studios papers. They are thick, really sturdy papers. They are one-sided, but you get a lovely selection of patterns in this 6x6 pack. Some pastel shades, some stronger shades. That script, I love anything with script on, so that one's my favourite. Again, a smaller version of the mustard with the hearts on. There's some little cute houses there, and some with stripes, arrows, the chain again, that watercolour effect, the blue floral, and some more abstract designs and some more floral. So some lovely papers there. Again, that obviously all coordinate with the 12 by 12s and the embellishments. So another add-on, there are 2 more add-ons. So this one is the die cut pack from Pretty Little Studios, which is called Happy Place. And there are lots of really pretty die cuts in here. Fresh, really fresh, bright colours. There's a lovely cloud with a rainbow and some phrases, some florals, happy. Some cute butterflies, some more phrases there. Hot air balloon. Just some really, really nice usable die cuts in that pack in lovely, pretty, fresh colours. And here again you can see how some of those little phrases from the die cuts work really well on that label sticker sheet. There's a second die cut pack called Floral Fantasy from the Savannah Dreams range, but I think my camera had a bit of a wobble without me noticing, and so I haven't got footage of that going through that in detail, but I will put up a still shot any second now so that you can see all of the pretty dies, and there they are, really pretty florally dies with a couple of phrases there too. And so now we're just coming on to the last couple of bits that were available to buy as add-ons, and these are Pretty Little Studio phrase stickers. They're white stickers with black writing, different fonts, and some really lovely phrases. Today was ridiculously fabulous. Coffee, coffee, coffee and friends. Family are my kind of friends. When you smile, your face shines. Some really quite different phrases and quite generic. And then these are the chipboard stickers from Vicky Bouton Field Notes range, and some more just lovely phrases on pretty coloured chipboard stickers. Today I am happy because daily adventures. Surround yourself with those who see the greatness in you. Collect beautiful moments on this day. Just again, lots of really lovely generic phrases. And then I've saved my favourite till last. This is a fabulous set of 3 stencils, mixed media stencils from Vicky Bouton, and I love stencils. And again, that lovely packaging and backing sheet in there with the pretty pattern on that you could use as well. And then the 3 stencils, which are a mix of that one with the circles on and some of the banner shapes down the bottom there, ink splats or coffee stains, and the hearts. And they're just so usable. Lovely, lovely. I can't wait to get stuck in. And in part 2, I'm going to do a part 2 video where I show you a range of mixed media products in the colours that I've picked to coordinate with these paper ranges. So I really look forward to seeing you again soon, and I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget to pay